Hey guys, what's good? Welcome back to the motherfreaking channel. So in this video, I'm doing this silver ombre cat's eye effect set today. It's very out of my comfort zone. I don't usually go towards cat's eye, but I was just really impressed with this kit. This is the pink polygel kit from Saviland. I tried to kind of do something a little more cool toned, and I also wanted to match my new rings. I have an unboxing from Julia today. I got 2 new rings, so I'm going to show you guys those, and I also have a glitter unboxing from Joyful Sparkles. I get a ton of my glitter from Joyful Sparkles. She also has like cute charms and keychains and stuff. So these are some of the glitters that she sent me. We have some fall leaves and some like winter snowflake stuff. This is all super duper pretty. I'm gonna use the silver ones. So these are my new rings from Julia. I wanted to go with something really dainty and cute and silver. I really love like silver jewelry lately, and I don't have any smaller silver rings. I have a ton of rings from Julia, so if you guys want to see my whole ring collection, I'll have that video in the cards where I unbox some new rings and then show all of the rings that I have from them. I do have a discount code down below. It's TANKYOU15 for 15% off. So this is the pink Saviland kit with the upgraded packaging. I'm really loving the new packaging. I've also tried their purple and blue kit that looks like this, so I'll have that linked if you want to see in the card. So you get a bunch of contact info and product info. There's some dual forms in here. These kind of look curved, and then they also kind of look straight. They might just be like a natural curve. Let me know what you guys think. Are these curved to you? Are these straight to you? And just like with all of their upgraded kits, you get 10 butterfly forms. I wish that they came with more forms, but you at least get enough to do like a full set on yourself. The butterfly forms are very sturdy. I've used them before. So in the Saviland kit, you get slip solution, which is really nice because nowadays there's like an alcohol shortage and a lot of kits don't come with slip. But the Saviland slip just doesn't work well for me, especially when it comes to working with like clear and glittery stuff. I just stay away from it. And this is the polygel brush with the scraper tool on the other side. You get a base coat and top coat, a hand file, and all of these colors that I'm going to swatch out for you guys. 2 of these colors are cat's eye, so there is a magnet in here. So this is what all of the shades look like. I love all of them. Like honestly, they are doing such a good job at picking the colors, the color palettes. I especially love the one called Highlight White. I think you could do an amazing like baby bloomer set with the like white at the bottom and then the pink at the top. The pink is number 13. It didn't really have a name, so I just called it 13. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing the Lazy Girl method. This is just a method that I came up with so that I can quickly and easily do a polygel set. And this is very similar to dual form. If you've tried dual forms before, you'll pretty much have an easy time doing this. You're just designing the nail from the inside out, basically. So the difference between this and dual forms is that with dual forms, you pop off the form, but with this method, we're using a full cover nail and we're gonna leave the nail on. Very similar to the après nail method or the soft gel method. We're gonna leave that full cover nail on the set. It's going to become part of your set. It's gonna add strength. I highly recommend that you guys use soft gel nails because it's gonna immediately adhere to the product that you're using. You can do this method with acrylic. I haven't done many Lazy Girl method videos with acrylic. I'm gonna start doing them because I see that there's an interest for it, but I do have one and I'll have it linked in the cards. So this works really well. You can do this with quick gels, like the quick gels from Makartt or a builder gel or whatever. But the full cover nail that you are going to choose is definitely going to be personal preference. It's going to depend on the length that you want to wear and the shape that you want to wear. And the great thing about this method is that you don't really have to do too much filing because everything's already in shape. You can just do very minimal hand filing. This is a really amazing method for beginners. So if you want to try this out, you've been wanting to do like polygel nails, but you don't want to have to like spend too much time learning, you can definitely just hit the ground running as a beginner. Like as a complete beginner, you can definitely do this. You do need to do a very good prep of your natural nail. So I'll have a video in the card showing how I do prep. This is like my updated prep and filing routine in detail. So I'll have that linked somewhere. It'll be in the description box if I don't have enough cards to link. And then once you have your prepped nail with your base coat gel applied and you're ready to go, you would just then apply your Lazy Girl method nail on and then flash cure it. If you don't have a flashy, that's totally fine. It's not completely necessary. You can even take those really tiny mini lamps that come in the Makartt kits and just turn it sideways on itself and then move your finger over to that. So the nail that I'm using is the XXL Square from Nail Couture. These are kind of notorious for being kind of flat. They don't have a very deep arch, so there's not a lot of room to fit a lot of product in here, so it can be very tricky. If you want a more detailed step-by-step how to do this method with these specific nails, I did a really long video about that. I'll have it in the description box. I think it'll be helpful for anyone struggling with that. You sometimes might have to size up, sometimes you don't have to size up. So we're just going to start filling up these nails and working it around with the brush, and I'm using the base coat gel from the kit as my slip today. For the ombre nails, I'm starting off with Silvery. That's the name of the color, Silvery. It's that silver cat's eye, and I'm going to be blending it backwards towards the cuticle area, and then I'll be turning it around once it's laid into the nail using the magnet to create the like swirls. I love this effect. It's so magical in person because it kind of shifts and moves around and it kind of looks like tie-dye to me. I love these so freaking much. I didn't expect to like them as much as I do, but I love these. I recommend you guys try it out. There's so many creative looks and things that you can do with this method. If you guys try it out, hashtag Lazy Girl Method on Instagram because I'm following that hashtag and I will most likely see you guys' sets on my feed. But yeah, other than those ombre nails, I'm gonna also be doing some like leaf encapsulated nails. And the way that I get those leaves to lay into the gel, I put the base coat gel down first, stick my leaves on, and I use something really small and pointy to push the leaf down onto like the flat surface, and then I flash cure it into place, and I do that for every single leaf. And I try to like aim the light exactly on the leaf that I'm working with so I don't flash cure something that I'm not trying to cure yet. So after that, I just fill up the nail. Thank you guys so much for being the first to comment on my last video. Thank you so much to everyone who tries to make it to these videos. It really, really helps me out a lot, and I love chatting with you guys and seeing what you guys have to say. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're enjoying the video so far, go ahead and click like. If you feel like your nails are not strong enough and they need more strength, you can always go right on top with some builder in a bottle, maybe to give it extra strength, or just top coat it a couple of times, or base coat, top coat it. So you have a lot of options with this. If you guys have any questions about this method, definitely let me know down below. I'll do my best to help you guys out. I do have an entire playlist on this. The little tool that I'm using to actually hold the nail in place is so extremely helpful. I really recommend you guys try that, especially when you already done one hand and the nails are long. It's kind of hard to like hold that fake nail and then do the other hand. That's where this tool comes in, and it helps keep polygel off of your fingers and makes it just a more pleasant experience and less sticky. So once all the nails are fully cured on my hand, you might want to turn your fingers over and then top coat the underside with a no wipe top coat so that it's not sticky under there before you start filing. So with my e-file and my sanding band, I'm going to go around the cuticle area, just getting rid of that press-on nail look, and I'll also be just reducing the sidewalls. You don't really have to do this if you don't want to, and you can totally use a hand file if you're someone who prefers to hand file. After filing, I washed my hands and I'm going to be doing a quick little bling application. There's really not much to this. I'm doing some like cuticle bling. And I'm using the Makartt Rhinestone Gel. This gel is like my absolute favorite bling adhesive. It lasts, it works for 3D charms, for really, really big charms, like those kawaii cabochons. I use this for everything. I use it for pixie crystals and I use it for raw glitter nails because it's tack free, but it has a really, really strong hold, and it comes in this squeeze bottle, which is super easy and convenient to use. So after my bling is cured, I'm gonna go ahead and top coat around the stones, and I will also top coat the underside just to make sure that it's super shiny. So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Would you try this set out? Would you try this cat's eye look? I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys are having a really good day or night. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you. Bye.